In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Calendar to Acuity scheduling, making it easy to get notifications for upcoming events. This process is straightforward and allows you to seamlessly manage your appointments by integrating both platforms. Let's begin by opening Google Calendar. You'll want to log into the account you plan to use for this connection. It's important to ensure that you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface where you'll find the section labeled Other Calendars. This is where we will be adding our new calendar link. Now click on Add Calendar and then select From URL. This option allows you to import calendars and manage them in one spot, which is precisely what you'll be doing today with your Acuity scheduling link. The next step is to head over to your Acuity scheduling page. Here, you'll need to copy the link to your scheduling page. Make sure you have the correct link because this will serve as the bridge between Google Calendar and Acuity scheduling, ensuring that all appointments are accurately reflected. With that link copied, it's time to return to Google Calendar. In the designated field, paste your scheduling link. After pasting it, hit Add Calendar. At this point, you'll be presented with the option to make the calendar public or keep it private. Choosing the right setting depends on how you want your appointments to be accessed. If you plan on collaborating with others, making it public might be beneficial. Otherwise, for personal use, keeping it private maintains your schedule's confidentiality. Once you've added your calendar, Google Calendar will begin fetching events from Acuity scheduling. This synchronization means that any appointments you have set up in Acuity will automatically appear in your Google Calendar. This connection ensures that you not only have a visual cue of your upcoming events, but also that you'll receive timely notifications. Such notifications help to prevent any scheduling mishaps or missed appointments, providing peace of mind as you manage your busy schedule. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully linked Google Calendar to Acuity scheduling. This seamless integration allows you to view all your appointments in one consolidated calendar interface, with notifications helping you stay on top of your commitments. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides, and I'll see you in the next video.